Hey loves, are you ready for a quick, yummy vegan dish? Stay tuned for a vegan Caesar salad with roasted chickpeas. Let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Let's set aside our seasonings of our choice along with 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Let's roll up those sleeves and lather up. Here I'm washing my hands with Mrs. Meyer's peppermint hand soap. You know hygiene is very important. So we're going to use a whole can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Same thing. And we're going to drain, strain, and rinse. Pour our rinsed beans into a bowl and blot off the excess water from the beans with a paper towel. I'm not crushing the beans, I'm just blotting. Next, pour all of our seasonings except the nutritional yeast into a bowl. Mix those ingredients together and sprinkle that onto the chickpeas. Next, I'm going to take my nutritional yeast and I'm going to sprinkle that all over the chickpeas. Now I'm going to toss and mix until it's evenly coated. Now I'm going to drizzle a teaspoon of grapeseed oil onto our beans. Now I'm going to toss just to make sure it's evenly coated as well. Now use a little of your non-stick cooking spray onto a flat baking dish so our beans won't stick while they're baking. And spread the beans out evenly. It's time to bake. Place those yummy chickpeas into the oven. And we're going to bake those chickpeas for about 15 minutes. I think they're ready. Use with caution while taking the beans out the oven. Now they're nice, hot, and crispy. And I'm going to toss those into a bowl and I'm going to set those aside. These peas are great for a snack by itself, or you can use them as croutons for a Caesar salad. I'm just going to grab a handful or two of romaine lettuce. I'm going to place it into a Ziploc bag, add a little vegan Caesar dressing. I'm going to seal the bag and I'm going to shake. I'm going to pour my Caesar salad mixture onto a plate along with our roasted chickpeas and I'm going to enjoy. And so will you. Thanks guys. Enjoy.